Today, I'll walk you through 3 different ways to implement Hreflang: HTML tags, HTTP headers, and XML sitemaps. We'll see real examples in the browser and conclude by looking at the strength and use cases of each implementation method. The most common method to implement Hreflang involves adding HTML tags that include Hreflang data to the head section of each page. Here's an example of how it looks for 3 language versions: English, Spanish, and French. Each tag specifies the language and the corresponding page URL. The key benefit of this method is that it is easy to implement, and search engines can immediately detect language versions while crawling individual pages. The second method is implementing Hreflang through HTTP headers. This method is useful when you don't want to modify the HTML source code. Note that this approach can be used for non-HTML content like PDF files. If you prefer a more centralized way to manage Hreflang annotations, the third method uses an XML sitemap. Here's what it looks like in practice. This method is especially useful for large websites with many pages because it centralizes Hreflang management in one file, making updates easier to apply across multiple pages. Note that the URLs specified in the sitemap can refer to any URL, including the URLs of PDF files. I created a simple comparison table to help you decide which method is the most appropriate for your site. You can download this table from the video description. We've now covered the 3 methods for implementing Hreflang. Whether you choose HTML tags, XML sitemaps, or HTTP headers, each method has its strengths depending on your website's needs. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments.